a guide to help you earn money with cryptocurrency. Buy or trade a cryptocurrency. Your first choice is to simply buy coins. There are various exchanges that will permit you to purchase or trade coins to keep in your digital currency wallet quietly possible. The most mainstream exchanges is Coinbase. Coinbase offers a very perfect UI and is outstanding amongst other approaches to begin with. If you have no related knowledge in cryptocurrencies, whenever you have made your account, you pay the market rate for the coin and afterward hold it until you are prepared to sell. The hope obviously is that the price goes up eventually. You need to ensure you go through a trustworthy exchange and that you become back up your digital wallet. Mining currency. Mining is extraordinary method to get some crypto coins, yet it doesn't work for all digital currencies. A lot of people believe that mining is tied in with getting as many coins as possible for yourself. Nonetheless, the entire process is somewhat more confounded. Through mining currencies, an individual uses his computer to address complex mathematical equations that approve blocks of transactions. All the blocks of transaction are now made inside a protocol. They simply should be approved to be available in the market. Make cryptocurrency dividends. Did you know that you can buy digital currency and hold them for a dividend? All things considered, there are various virtual currencies that will get you paid for essentially buying and holding their assets. The best thing about these coins delivering a dividend to holders is you don't need to stake them, particularly in a wallet. A couple of examples of coins that deliver out dividends incorporate COSS, CEFF, NEO, KU coin, etc. Similar to the regular stocks, not all of these coins are appropriate for your portfolio. You will need to examine and select what appears to line up with your investment objectives. Staking. Staking. If you have your eyes on certain coins that you can't mine, relax because you can still get them. There are two fundamental strategies for approving blocks: proof of work and proof of stake. While POW expects users to mine the blocks and affirm the transaction through pure computational power, POS works entirely unexpectedly in a proof of stake frame. The individual to affirm the production of another block is picked in the deterministic manner in light of the number of coins one already holds. Payment in cryptocurrency. Another approach to earn money with cryptocurrencies is to accept them for payment. If you have a business where you sell products or services, you can accept payment in a preferred cryptocurrency. You need a digital wallet and to work with individuals you wish to pay in cryptocurrency.